فتيمموا صعيدا طيبا فامسحوا بوجوهكم وأيديكم.
Assalamu alaikum. What do you do when you need to do wudu, ablution, but there's no water available to you, and it's almost time to pray? Well, Islam has a solution for you, and it's called tayammum. Tayammum refers to dry ablution, and you can do it on earth, sand, dust, or a lump of clay, but it's really recommended to do it on pure earth. Inshallah, we'll show you the necessary steps to doing tayammum.
The first step is to hit the bare earth with the palm of your hands. Next, you want to wipe your forehead with the palms of your hands, starting from the hairline all the way to the top of your nose, going in a downward motion and covering your eyebrows. Then you wipe the top of your right hand with the palm of your left hand, starting from the forearm to the fingertips. And do the same thing with your left hand, using the palm of your right hand.
Pretty easy, huh? Much easier than wudu, alhamdulillah. Be sure to check out our upcoming videos in the near future, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.